Hi, my name's Basti.
And my name's Luca.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm Jay.
He's Jay, and this is L&B Fishing. Today we're out again at the banks of the coast of Kenya. Anything really, you know how to say that.
Yeah, anything. Bonito, we've already caught a couple. Well, we just saw marlin.
Yeah, we just saw a huge, I don't know, 700-pound black marlin. Coming up to a feeding frenzy now, let's hope we get a few. Hey, look, there's a nice one here.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Tiny.
Oh, it's a fish.
Get the cow.
I'm landing it myself. No live bait.
Spasm. Nice. Feeding frenzy over there.
We just...
Go ready.
That's a double hooker.
We've got double hooker.
Double hooker.
My line's stuck. Hey, get this thing off. I've lost it. Oh no, it's still here.
L&B Fishing representing double hooker. Whoa, he's a fighter, this one. He's probably a tiny little thing as well.
Is yours still on?
There's something there. It's not fighting at all. It feels like I'm pulling in just a lump.
Yes!
Wow! Look at mine.
Benito.
Yours
Nice
are so
one.
clean. Look at mine.
Jesus.
Awesome! Awesome!
Yes. You're gonna say something.
Yeah, I'm happy. Look at this mush bit here. Absolutely
This
mad.
is mine. It's so much.
Nice one.
I had a tangle and I'm getting rid of the unwanted knots.
Bleeding the fish. Purify the meat. Hopefully chum up the water a bit.
This one has no blood.
It's a vampire.
It's the one that coughed up all the blood.
Ha! That's where it all went.
There's such mice which is going around for bonito. Everyone else is live baiting looking for marlin. Nah, we're going for bonito.
We're just the scrapes. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy.
Lucas got a fish.
Nice.
Yeah, this is not a bonito. And it's gone. Amanda.
Oh, damn it.
Fuck. Oh. Oh, they've got something quite large. Ooh, look at that. I'd like to hook up into that.
Fish on, fish on.
Another rod,
Another
yeah,
one.
another one.
I'll take it.
Grab that one. Pick a reverse, reel that one in. There's a fish on the other one.
Double hook up again.
Yeah, take it. Pull up. Yeah, we've got it on a tiny spinning rod. It's a lot of fun.
So much fun. Wet.
Whoa, Jesus Christ, that nearly fell off the boat. Jay's hooked up. It's a bonito frenzy today.
Absolutely insane the amount of feeding frenzy.
2 double
The
hookups.
fish are starving on Boxing Day.
You've got to play with the fish. Oh, we've got colour with Jay. Bring it to this side. Yes! Well done,
fish.
Jay!
Nice one.
He's bleeding like hell.
Oh, dip it in the water. Don't bleed all over the
Yeah, oh
boat.
no, my garments. L&B garments. Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh, bloody hell.
Is it gone?
God damn it, I knew I should have done
And Jay has lost his fish. What do you have to say for yourself?
I really want to swear right now.
Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Okay, back to Bastia.
Number 5, hopefully.
It's gone. Double hookup and no results.
Well, the result for me.
I'm angry.
He's angry.
Where? Big one, this one.
Okay.
Camera rolling, I repeat, camera rolling. What would you say, Luca?
Big bonito. Not that big.
Doesn't
Had
seem,
a pretty aggressive strike.
yeah, doesn't seem to be fighting at the moment. We have no fuel.
Yeah.
Yeah, do some rod action, dude. Nice.
It's a bonito.
Ooh.
Yeah, the shanking knife. Where's the shanking knife?
Oh, one jump right behind us.
Yay!
Very good. Very
Nice, it's quite a nice one as well.
It's bigger than the other two. It's fine.
Nice. So, we're going to try live baiting it again. The last fish, last bonito we hooked, got taken by a wahoo or sailfish or something. Something big anyway.
Well, I'm not cool.
Cool.
We've been live baiting for about an hour and 45 minutes. We haven't gotten much interest. It's really quieted down around here.
Okay.
We're heading slowly back in. We're quite low on fuel. Not enough to... Oh, that looked like a tap. Got a bit startled there. We're slowly fishing back to the dock. We've had five fish, 2 losses. They're all pretty much bait fish. Small bonito, all about the same size. But yeah, we lost to Dorado. Not a bad day, could have been better. Next time we see you, I think we'll be out here again because it's the only place worth fishing on this section of the coast.
So our catch wasn't still very interesting, but better than last time, I guess.
Yeah, next time we'll be finding out how to catch the yellowfin, which don't seem to be biting whatever we're using at the moment.
At the end, we didn't catch on camera, but we lost a few kingfish and a barracuda. So yeah.
See you next time.
See ya.